Hi viewers, welcome to the channel Venu's Research Academic. This is Dr. Venu Vetrivel. In this online class series, we are going to learn about statistics for management and business. Before going to this video, subscribe to the channel for our continuous classes and click the bell button for our continuous classes notification. This online class series helps the students, those who are all doing UG, PG in management and commerce. Today we are going to discuss about the introduction of the statistics. Before that, what are the things we are going to discuss in this class? First, we know what are the things we are going to discuss in this class, which is what is the meaning and definition of statistics, what are the major elements in statistics, how does it important to business and management, and what is the application of statistics in management. So these are all things we are going to discuss in this video. Come, let us go to the video. The meaning of statistics. In the beginning, it may be noted that the word statistics is used rather crucially in two senses, plural and singular. In the plural sense, it refers to a set of figures or data. In the singular sense, statistics refer to the whole body of tools that are used to collect data, organize and interpret them, and finally to draw a conclusion from them. The word statistics means something different from its common concern. The prime function of statistics is to draw statistical inferences about the population on the basis of available quantitative information. Overall statistics method deals with the reduction of data to convenient descriptive terms and drawing some inferences from them. Thus, it may be stated that all the statistics are numerical statement of facts, but all numerical statements of facts are not necessarily statistics. The term statistics as a branch of science, it deals with the classification, tabulation and analysis of numerical fact. Different statisticians define this aspect of statistics in different ways. For example, statistics is defined as the collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. The mathematics of the collection, organization and interpretation of numerical data, especially the analysis of population characteristics by inference from sampling. And the another definition, the branch of mathematics deals with the collection, analysis, interpretation and presentation of masses of numerical data. From the meaning and definition of statistics, we can able to understand the meaning and what is statistics. This diagram is shows and simply will explain the what is statistics. Statistics is a way to get information from data. Actually, data is converted into as a information, which is called statistics. The data only has to convert it as a information, which is called statistics. Data means data means a fact, which is data. Okay, then we give an example for that. This is the example. Actually, this is the mark statement of the student. Actually, it has some of the marks. For example, language, English, maths, science and social. So these are the subject he has the mark. From this mark statement, how we can able to interpret and how we can able to information convert as information, we are going to see in the next slide. See, from this mark statement, we can able to interpret what is the highest mark in that and what is the lowest mark in that, and total mark of this statement and percentage and average and the best subject of this student. So these are the things we can able to interpret from this data. Actually, highest mark in that statement actually has the 79 in mathematics and lowest mark in 64 in social. So these are all the method we can able to interpret. Suppose you have a data, whichever may be, so whatever may be the data, if you have any data, you can able to convert as a information. So this is the example for that. Major elements of statistics. We have 5 major elements in statistics. First one is collection of data. Second, classification and presentation. Third one is tabulation. Fourth one is analysis of data. And final, interpretation of data. So these are all the major elements we have in statistics. First, collection of data. Once the nature of study is decided, it becomes essential to collect information in form of data about the issue of the study. Therefore, the collection of data is the first basic step. Data may be collected either from the primary source or secondary or for both of the sources depending upon the objectives of the investigation. This is data collection. Next, classification and presentation. Once the data are collected, the researcher has to arrange them in the format from which they would be able to draw some conclusions. The arrangement of data is groups according to some similarities is known as classification. Next, tabulation. Tabulation is the process of presentation of classified data in the form of a table. A tabular presentation of the data become more intelligible and fit for the further statistical analysis. Classified and tabulated data can be presented in diagram and graphs to facilitate the understanding of various trends as well as the process of comparison of various situations. The analysis of data. This is the most important step in any statistical inquiry. Statistical analysis is carried out to process the observed data and transform it in such a manner as to make it suitable for decision making. Next, interpretation of data. So after analyzing data, the researcher gets the information partly or wholly about the population. Explanation of such information is more useful in real life. The quality of interpretation depends more and more on the experience and insight of the researcher. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the importance of statistics in business. First, the planning of operations. This may related to either special project or to the recurring activities of a firm over a specified period. Next, the setting up of standards. This may related to the size of employment, volume of sales, fixation of quality norms for the manufactured product, norms for the daily output and so forth. Then the function of control. This involves the comparison of actual production achieved against the norms or target set earlier. In the case the production has fallen short of the target, it gives remedial measures so that such a deficiency does not occur again. So these are the importance of the statistics in business. Another topic, application of statistics. The field of statistics has numerous applications in business. Because of technological advancement, large amount of data are generated by the business these days. These data are now being used to make decisions. This better decision we make help us improve the running of a department, a company or the entire management. In the area of application, statistics are marketing, finance, economics, HRM and HRD, and information system and data mining, and finally decision making process. These are all the major applications we have to use in the statistics. See here the table explained well how it will be work out. First, marketing. In that we have to doing some of decision situation is based on the statistical report, and the application we have to use in that the assessment forecast of demand of the product or services, customer profiling, market research. It's based on that we have to use time series, correlation, regression, cluster analysis, congestion analysis and multidimensional scaling. Another one is in the retail management, identifying customer buying behavior and patterns. In this situation, we have to use correlation, regression, cluster analysis, and congestion analysis. For another type, the finance and the banking, evaluation of investment, valuating of stocks, predicting EPS and derivatives. This time also we have to use the regression analysis and decision analysis and beta analysis. In the insurance, determining the premium, profitability and time series and regression analysis. In the operation, controlling and improving production process and quality inventory management, we have to use the statistical techniques, statistical quality control and Six Sigma sampling inspection and ABC analysis. In the HRD department, performance appraisal and reward system, we have to use the statistical techniques of normal distribution and percentiles. So these are all the application. We have to use in the entire management decision making process. Hence, in the management activities while planning, organizing, controlling, and communicating, the management is confronted with the many alternative courses of action. The trial and error method is not a great way of making decisions. Therefore, statistical data and powerful statistical techniques of probability, expectations, sampling, significance test, estimation theory, forecasting, etc. play an important role in the today business organization. After watching this video, you can able to answer the following questions: the meaning and definition of statistics, the major elements in statistics, the importance of statistics in business, and the application of statistics in management. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel for continuous class. If you like this video, like, comment and share it with your friends.